welcome to this video about Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, or ASMR for short. ASMR is a unique sensation that many people experience, often described as a tingling feeling that starts on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. It can be triggered by a variety of things such as certain sounds, visual stimuli, or even certain types of touch. Some people have compared ASMR to a form of auditory tactile synesthesia, which is a condition where the brain mixes up different senses, creating a unique and often pleasant experience. It can also overlap with frisson, which is a similar sensation of goosebumps or shivers that can be triggered by music or other stimuli. Some people find ASMR to be very soothing and can even use it as a form of stress relief or to help them fall asleep. Others may not experience it at all, which is perfectly normal. If you're curious about ASMR, there are many videos and recordings available online that are specifically designed to trigger this sensation. Give it a try and see if it works for you. Whispering or soft speaking. Gentle sounds like the rustling of paper or the tapping of nails on a hard surface. Slow, repetitive movements such as brushing hair or tracing fingers over skin. Certain visual stimuli, such as watching someone perform a task with great care and attention to detail. Listening to guided meditations or sleep stories. It's important to note that what triggers ASMR can vary greatly from person to person, and some people may not experience it at all. It's also worth noting that some people may find certain triggers uncomfortable or even distressing. Thank you for watching and learning about Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response.